This is GamesRageGaming here, and just a quick update video. Suddenly my second Xbox One X has broken, my Xbox One X Project Scorpio. So it looks like I've gone back to my original Xbox One at the moment until I get a brand new one, which will be coming in the week. So as you can see guys, I'll even turn this on. Plug's on now. As you can see, it's not into a surge protector, just in case you're wondering. So as soon as I press this, obviously your on button, it should come on TV. So we're just going to press that now. It will light up. And you'll see absolutely nothing. RIP Xbox One. So as you can see guys, back to old Xbox. Original Xbox, trustworthy. Now a lot of problems have actually been identified with this Xbox One X. So there's a few reasons. There's overheating, there's cheap components used, such as cheap thermal paste, and also another problem with the Xbox One X known was the lead, what they give you with the Xbox One X. So hopefully this is just another faulty one, and my third Xbox One X will be much better. That's really it for this video guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you got any comments or anything to ask, just let me know by leaving a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching guys, and peace out.